Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Shasmi, and if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my new videos as soon as I post it. So this video is really special because I'm being an Assamese. I love to wear Mekhela chador, and MAGH BIHU is just knocking at the door. So I'm thinking that why not to shoot a video, like make a video on how to wear Mekhela chador. I just want to keep it very simple and subtle because it's MAGH BIHU, and MAGH BIHU mein I don't want to wear something like very chatak kind of thing. I don't want to do a very bright makeup or wear a very bright Mekhela chador. I want to make it very simple, very minimal, and let's see how I create that look. So yeah, let's get started. Right now I have washed my face and I have put nothing on my face, so not even the moisturizer. So now I'm just go ahead with the toner. This is the Bio Morning Nectar Biotic Toner. This is what I'm gonna apply on my face right now using some cotton. I really don't love to wear a lot of makeup. I just want to use a lot of skincare products like a nice moisturizer, nice serum and all of this stuff. I just want to, glow naturally. I don't use a lot of makeup products. I don't have them. So, yes, this is done. So applying the toner is done. Now I'll be using this Good Vibes moisturizer. I will link the products if you guys are interested. And now I'll apply a little bit. Okay, so applying the moisturizer is done. I don't generally use a foundation or a concealer and all. If you want to use, you can use, because I don't use because I don't have really a lot of spots or dark circles like that. I think I am a person who is blessed with the quality of skin that I have. Like, I have to say I am blessed with that. So whatever. Now I'll apply a little bit of eyeshadow. I personally don't like to apply a lot of eyeshadow. I'll just apply a lipstick which is very nudie in shade. This is a lipstick called Intense Matte from Blue Heaven, and the shade is called Sandy Beach. And this is a really nice shade. So this is what I'm using for my eyeshadows. Okay, I will also be using this red kind of a shade, little bit. Okay, now just smudge it, just blend it properly. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And here also I'll be applying this red color a bit. Okay, this is done. Now I'll use this shade of white eyeshadow just to use a little bit like a highlighter. It's weird because I use my fingers to blend my eyeshadows because I feel like brushes doesn't work that well. I love to use my fingers to do everything. Yep, this is done. just put a little bit on this part. So this is done. Now for the blush, I'm again gonna use this bright red shade. Just a little bit, okay? Can you see this? Just a little bit. And here also the same. Okay. And I'm also using the same shade that I use for my eyeshadow. It's again the Sandy Beach one, the nude color one. And just apply a little bit. And yep, it's done. Now what you have to do is blend, 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 blend. You just need to blend it properly, just to get a really nice look. Wow. I really love this makeup because this is so natural. It's like so glowy. Actually this really goes, it blends with the moisturizer that I was applying first. And yeah, this is done. So now I'm gonna apply this white eyeshadow as a highlighter. Just here a little bit, and yes. Can you see this? Okay, it's done. This is done, and also on my nose a little bit. I just want to put a lot of highlighter just to glow, and yeah. Also here a little bit. So this is almost done. Now I will apply the eyeliner and the kajal. Okay. Now I'm gonna apply my eyeliner. I'm so bad at applying eyeliner, so excuse me a bit. Okay. So I have applied the eyeliner. So yeah, this is done. I don't really love to use the kajal, but when I'm wearing traditional like Mekhela chador or sari, I love to like wear kajal. This is what I'm using. This is called the Lakme Iconic Kajal. So wait, I'll just put in the upper lid here a little bit, and yeah, just put a thin layer of this kajal. Don't use a lot of kajal. It looks really horrible when you use a lot of kajal. I personally don't love when someone uses a lot of kajal just to make their eyes look very bold. And this is it. This is how much I put kajal, like little bit just. And here also I'm doing the same, a little bit of kajal. And yeah, this is done. And this is almost done. And for the lipstick, I'm gonna use this shade called Chocolate Swirl, and the lipstick is named by Intense Matte from Blue Heaven. Okay, this is what the shade looks like. It's so pretty. Like, I love this shade. And this is done. I have just put everything, and this is how it looks like. So basically I did my whole makeup using like 3-4 products, and that's it. Wow, I did a great job. Okay, it's done. So I did just very subtle look, like minimal makeup, just because I'm wearing this Muga Mekhela with this Muga blouse, and these both are plain. There is no work going on in this Mekhela, because Muga is something that doesn't require more work on them. Like they are itself, it's very beautiful. The color, oh my god, the Muga has my heart. I also love silk, it's also very gorgeous, but this has my heart. Like Muga is something I love to wear because of the color and all of this. And the chador is something, this is what this look. This is actually not a chador, this is a riha. And chador and riha is like almost same, but riha is a bit narrow. The chador थोड़ा सा broad होता है, उसका breadth थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होता है, and riha is a bit narrow comparative to that of the chador. So that's what we are gonna wear now. BIHU is something that I feel it's very close to the nature, and I love to keep it very simple, like a typical Assamese girl. I just don't want to make it very bold and very bright. But BIHU is something that I love to wear different kinds of clothes and experiment with Mekhela chador, like a lot of colors. But MAGH is something that I feel like it should be very natural. I love the MAGH because of the whole thing, like so natural, the MAGH and all of this stuff. So I thought, like, why not to create this simple look. So yeah, let's get started. So at first make 3 folds, like 3 plaits, and all the plaits should be on the right side. Just do as I am doing, and then secure the plaits or the folds with a safety pin. It's a bit difficult to pin it up in Muga Mekhela because of the quality of the fabric. It's very hard. So, and then just put it inside, and then secure all the ends together, like put it together as I'm doing. And this is it. And then this is what the chador looks like. It's plain, and already said it's very narrow. This is the best thing about riha. You can also make plaits and then wear it, but I don't want to make plaits, so this is how I'm wearing. And now just take here and take the other end like this, and then start folding the ends as I am doing. You can fold it in different ways, but this is how I like personally. And then after that, secure it with a safety pin, and then just tug it. And this is how it looks like. So this is it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video a lot. So happy MAGH BIHU to each and everyone, to all my viewers, to all my subscribers, and thank you so much for the love that you have showered me within these days. I am so blessed. I am so grateful to all of you. So I will upload this video just before 2-3 days of MAGH BIHU, and I hope you all will try this makeup look, which is very easy. I have just created this look just using like 4 to 5 products, and this is it, no foundation and nothing. So hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll be back again with another video. Till then, bye bye.